Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2004 Volvo XC90. This is the all-wheel drive version. And I want to show you something very simple, replacing a fog lamp bulb. It's right up here. It's going to be very easy to do. Let's do it. I'm right under here. Pretty much immediately underneath your bumper cover. You can see right where we're looking at here. The harness for it, where it connects onto the bulb assembly itself, is just a little squeeze tab. It's a metal, almost looks like a paper clip. You're just gonna grab that, squeeze it, pull this whole unit right off. Grab it, squeeze it, pull it off. So here's what I was talking about. When you squeeze it, it unlocks, and then I slid it off. Take a peek, make sure there's no funny colors in there, corrosion, rust, debris, water, everything looks good. We'll set this aside. Now we're just going to come up here, we're going to grab this, give it a little twist counterclockwise. Pops right out of there. At this point, you don't want to touch the bulb, or the glass I should say, if you're not replacing it. Just pull this right out, and this is the bulb. The bulb number on it, if I can find it real quick. All right, so the bulb is an H1 bulb. If you wanted to replace it, you'd look for an H1. Let's assume that you have it replaced now. You're going to put it down inside that little pronged area down in there. Just like this. Should slide right in. Just like that. Nice and spring loaded. Okay. We're going to go right back up into the vehicle now. Once again, you don't want to touch the glass part of the bulb. Just turn it until it stops, just like that. Take our connector. On the connector itself, you'll notice that there's these two little nubs right there that are kind of cut out. On this piece itself, it has two little nubs that come out, and they just slide right in, so you can't mix up how this goes on. Slides right on, give it a little click, give it a nice little tug, easy peasy. To do the driver's side, you're looking at the same exact thing. Give this a little squeeze, pull this off, twist this to the left, take that off, take the bulb out, replace it with an H1, put it all back together.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.